Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. I'm just going to dive into XRP once again. Thank you for support, okay? Big up the CoinsKid crew. Thank you to each and every single one of you for everything that you do. Thank you for liking this video, sharing this video, and thank you for subscription on YouTube, okay? If you want to get involved in any communities, all the links are on CoinsKid.com and in each and every single video description, okay? Thank you to all the patrons as well. That's absolutely blowing up, and we're glad that you really like the content in there, okay? I'm going to give you a guided tour of the Patreon, the Discord server. Some amazing content in there, trades, and it's amazing. Brilliant community, thank you. So right now, XRP, you know, it's cooling down a little bit. These are technical targets for you, and you're breaking this high. So for me, you're an impulsive wave to 143 at the moment, which you can see brings you up to this high. So slowly but surely, it's going up the stairs, okay? If we take a look on the 15-minute time frame here, you can see it's a little bit range bound. I was anticipating some kind of little bear pennant here yesterday, where we was to roll out of this particular level of support and roll down and get a little wick bounce off here. I do think that potentially you could say that this could be the actual low in this move that we're doing right now. So if you was to see a bit more of a correction, I think that this particular swing high just there, this level would hold for XRP, okay? Because you can see it's a cluster just there. You are resting on this swing high just there. Do you see that? So that's pretty good. But if you do start to see a roll, just put some cheeky bids on this white line at 123. I think you'll be fruitful moving forward. It is a little bit range bound at the moment. It is a little bit range bound. You can see you've got a level of resistance there and a level of support. You know, it's up, down, up, down. You can see just here yesterday we popped out, and this is basically a bit of an inverse bar. You see that you come down, go sideways, and then you come back up to where you came from. That's called an inverse bar, basically. Nice little pattern. Very rare, to be honest with you. Very rare in crypto, but they do happen. And right there you can see you're forming some kind of ascending triangle, which is a bullish reversal pattern. Do you see that? So right now you've got a level of resistance and support on the 15-minute that you're sort of losing and testing. Do you see that? So just there you've got an ascending triangle basically just there, and you can see bullish reversal pattern come down like that. You're getting tighter and tighter, making these higher lows like that, and once you broke that low resistance, you put in a new little wave up there. So you're sort of range bound at the moment. You're between there and there at the moment. Do you see that? So you chip chop sideways until you get the next leg up basically. All eyes on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin's doing really well, then you know, as Bitcoin slows down, it's where XRP sort of catches up and slowly but surely goes up the stairs, and before it gets that sort of parabolic break when it breaks this local high, I think. So right now XRP, from there you can see a technical target from there to there. Once you broke this level of resistance just there, boom, target met. Do you see that? A little bit of an overextension. Come back down, you're putting in some kind of reversal pattern there, which is a descending triangle. And again, you know, it's like I say to you, it's all tradable. Chip chop sideways, came down, lost that support. You put in a technical target to the downside. Let's have a look, see if that was actually met right now. And you can see it's not actually been met. So, you know, effectively, if we're coming back up and we're holding this level of previous support that we've lost as resistance, if we continue to do this, potentially roll over, and you might get a little wick down there, which is another retest of that low, you know. But on the grand scheme of things, you can see what you're forming. You're forming a larger sort of ascending triangle. So if we zoom out on the 4 hour, you can see just there, essentially, could be classed as some double M top pattern. Just consolidation basically coming up. You see like this double M top pattern, you rolled over to a key level of support. So right now, if you was to lose that, you could potentially roll over and get some fruitful bids on this 20, which is coming up to a white line, which is a previous swing high. Because you can see on the 4 hour, look, you've melted through this level of resistance. You've not necessarily come back to its support. So this is why I'm sort of giving more confidence to the fact that you might get some cheeky bids down here on this yellow line, which is a 20 EMA on the 4 hour, and equally this swing high here. Okay, come back down, bounce, see you later for XRP, you know, and that might be the support that it's looking for. It scare people thinking you're going to come all the way down, but you've broken out right now. You know, worst case scenario here, you was to roll over, come back down, hold this white trend line, boom, because you've broken out of the horizontal on the daily. So you're looking extremely fantastic here for continuation. You only have to look to the left and look to the right, and you're seeing things take off. And you know, if you're part of this, you know, the XRP cycle, it is a bit lackluster, but eventually it does break out. And when it does break out, it melts faces. I think here we had a whopping 40% upside last November, and then it sort of went sideways again. And once it started to break out, it sort of took off into space there and met the 1618 target. You know, the 1618 target here, remind you, is this blue line just up here, which is $4.55 minimal. That's my minimal forecast in this bull run for XRP. But like previous bull runs, we do start to go a little bit parabolic in this phase here, and we are equally taking out this high. Like I've reminded you so many times, this event coming to this impulsive wave here at 455 does take out this high. So would that give it more power and more FOMO to actually go beyond the 1618 and get overextended? So I don't know if I've done it with you yet. I might have done. I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to look at some of the fib targets. So right now we've got the impulsive wave break, which is on that white line. Okay, so you're coming upstairs beautifully. Look, you're holding support, you're looking for continuation here for XRP. You're breaking out of a huge horizontal, bullish. You've got a whopping horizontal just there, basically a bull pennant. If you look at it on the weekly, boom, your breakout target is up here to this local high, yeah? But with that, once you break that high, you're going to push up through these fib targets, and this is your 1618. Now right now it could get beyond to these other fib targets. So we have the 2 up here at 759, which is a little bit of confluence to this yellow line, which is the 1414. Okay, yes, that is the 1414. Let me just show you again, remind you for those that don't know. This is how you get the fib. So the bear market low to the bull market high, and that gives you the target. So just there, that yellow line at $14, sorry, is the 1414. This yellow line here at $8.33, $8.63, round about that sort of area, is the 1.272. So you can see that if we do start to go parabolic here and rinse repeat this sort of mania phase, which I do believe is coming, okay, we are taking out this high. So this is my minimal target, 455. People say, oh, well, it's got to do better than 455. Well, yeah, this is the latter part of a bull run. This is the mania stage, the euphoria stage that we're anticipating. Okay, if we do get that, then yes, you will go beyond the 455. That's my minimal impulsive wave target, which is what each one of these has done so far. Okay, came up to the 1618, retraced the 050, and right now breaking out, minimal target 455, overextension. You can start looking at some of these fib targets getting met. Okay, you got the 2 roundabout, which is the 1.272 as confluence, and then obviously if we do start to get a little bit beyond here in this impulsive break in this parabolic stage of the bull market, then yeah, you could get to 2.272 minimal at 10.96, and with that the overshoot to the 1414, you know, which is $13 plus. Who knows? Watch this space. It's going to be a fantastic journey. It has been so far. People get disillusioned thinking XRP is a shitcoin. It's not. It's looking for continuation. So that's basically XRP. Slowly going up the stairs, doing everything it needs to for continuation of the bull. Take care, everyone. Back soon with another update on XRP. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye-bye.